Adam had everything he thought he needed: a six-figure job, a luxury apartment, and a smoking hot, beautiful girlfriend. From the outside, he was a success. But every night, he stared at the ceiling. He felt nothing, not sadness, not joy, just emptiness. It didn't make sense. He had worked hard, sacrificed, and climbed. So why did he feel so lost? He convinced himself it was normal. Maybe after the next promotion, maybe after he hit 7 figures, maybe after he finally took that vacation, but the feeling stayed. And deep down, he knew the truth. One night, everything changed. He got a call from his girlfriend. Her voice was cold and distant. "We need to talk." His stomach dropped. An hour later, she was gone. "You're just not present, not happy, and it's draining me," she said. She walked out, and for the first time, he admitted something to himself. He had been waiting for happiness, chasing it in the numbers, chasing it in status, but he was always just out of reach. And now, he had nothing to distract him. He tried everything: partying, more work, shallow relationships, but nothing filled the void. He found himself scrolling through his social media. Everyone seemed happy, but why wasn't he? One night he sat alone, suffocated by his own silence. And then a question hit him. Who am I? Not what he did, not what he had, but who he was. And the answer scared him. He was a man waiting for success to feel different, waiting for happiness to just appear. But he was never building it. That night he made a decision. He was going to rebuild himself, not through money, not through achievements, but through his identity. He decided to change who he is. The next morning he woke up early, not because he had to, but because he was now a man of discipline. He trained harder, not for abs or aesthetics, but because he was now a man of strength. He spoke with a purpose, not to impress, but because he was now a man of presence. And then something strange happened. For the first time in years, he felt alive. But change wasn't easy. Doubt crept in, whispering, "This isn't you." Fear clawed at him, saying, "Go back to comfort." One morning he woke up exhausted. His mind told him to sleep in. His old identity tried to take control, but he knew better. Happiness isn't found, it's built. So he got up anyway, because the old Adam was gone, because he wasn't waiting anymore. He sought discomfort, not pleasure. Cold showers, public speaking, hard workouts. He learned about the neurovasc breathing technique. He practiced deep breath control, and soon his nervous system shifted. His heart rate steadied, and his focus sharpened. Not fear, not hesitation. Now he was in control. Weeks passed, then months, and one day he woke up and felt it. Not excitement, not a temporary high, but peace. Deep, unshakable peace. Because happiness wasn't a finish line, it was a way of being. And he became the man who lived it. His voice carried deeper authority. His presence commanded silent respect. Women felt his strong energy. Men respected his silent power. He had become the man he once admired, and he finally understood happiness. It was never in the chase. It was always in the being. Maybe you're like Adam. Maybe you're waiting for money to make you feel enough, waiting for the right person to fix you, waiting for happiness to just happen. But it won't, because happiness is an identity, not a destination. And right now, you have a choice. You can keep waiting, or you can become the man of presence, the man of strength, the man of purpose. And when you do, happiness will no longer be something you chase. It will be who you are. The next step is simple. You don't need more motivation. You don't need to wait. You need to act. Wake up tomorrow and ask, who am I becoming? Then act from that place. Train your body, master your mind, use neurovasc breathing to gain control. Face challenges, embrace the discomfort. Every action rewires your identity. And soon, happiness will no longer be a pursuit. It will be your default state. Subscribe for more powerful transformations. Follow for daily insights and strategies. Schedule your clarity call today. Get started on your journey. Become the man you are meant to be. And remember, master yourself. Master your happiness.